What's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Yes, I'm back with another YouTube video, but not a YouTube video, a vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little vlog for you guys. I'm just going to be going to the beach. So guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this vlog. Please make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe down below, and turn on those post notifications so you know when your boy uploads a brand new video for you guys. Yes guys, without further ado, let's start this vlog. I do want to clap, but I guess I'm going to just like...
You should take it slow.
But remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Okay guys, we reached at the beach now, and I'm just going to do like the voiceover in between each video. So guys, this is the beach at Sharky's. It's nice, kind of can see some boat. I mean, dig up on some of the boat them. Said, isn't it nice?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, a couple minutes into the video, I can see my little sister Amaya, and like she not look for the tune, she look like one beach where, but no offense, not bad word, but just be for night, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is me going into watch, and I'm watch my fat self, I'm doing some fat right now, I'm say about that. Yes, I'm gonna walk, water is shallow cause like, me walk straight, you see how far I'm gone, and I can see the white so them all line in the water, so I'm gonna show you what they eat after. Okay guys, after the beach went to the Sharky's restaurant and then gave us a menu as you can see, and I got this which was I think a seafood lasagna or some food, but it was damn delicious. Okay guys, you're welcome. Okay guys, we have reached the end of this week's YouTube video. Not a YouTube video, a vlog, exactly. Yeah, we now reached the end of the video, yeah. Right guys, if you want to know the beach, it was Sharky's Beach. If you want to go check them out, it was an amazing adventure for our first time. Yes, whatever. Yeah guys, and also I'll be having another vlog coming this week, so stay tuned for that, because like I first made the vlog there, and I first made the thing I made do, and like yeah, just stay tuned for the vlog day. The breeze are blow windy right now for now in the background, but yeah. Please, I'm begging you guys to go follow my IG and my TikTok. If you call them IG and TikTok. Go follow my IG and my TikTok right now. We'll be linked on the screen and down in the description box below. Which is my Instagram is at j_creative. I'm at J. And my TikTok is j_creative2. Yes, roundabout. Go for my socials down below. Everything will be down in the description box. We don't have the description box on the box before. Yes. So I will see y'all in my next YouTube video, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe, post notifications are turned on, and you like all my videos. Yes. And I'll see y'all in my next